Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
So next example, let's take there is a room. Whose dimensions are given like it's 10 meters, 10 meters and 10 meters. Now there is a fly. It's moving. It's just flying from this corner to diagonally opposite corner. So diagonally opposite corner. Then what could be the displacement? So now if you consider, look at here, from here to here, the shortest distance. Now first up, what is this length? This length is nothing but this and this. These are perpendicular to each other. This is 10 meters, this is 10 meters. Then this length is going to become, it's like a 10 root 2, isn't it? How? Let me call, this is O, and this is A, this is B, this is C. Now right now I am focusing on, it's this is O, this is A, this is B. So AB is 10 meters and OA is 10 meters. Then what about OB? It's not perpendicular, I told you already. So it's a root over 10 square plus 10 square. It is nothing but 100 plus 200. It is going to give you 10 root. Now again later I am going to take, this is O, this is B. It's a 10 root 2. And one more is there from B to C. It's a 10 meters. Now this one is nothing but OC. So this is nothing but OC. OC will give you here root over square of this. Square of this is how much? It's a 10 root 2 whole square plus 10 square. Isn't it? So 10 root 2 whole square plus 10 square is nothing but if you take common 10 square and bring it out, root over 2 square, 2 plus 1. It's nothing but 10 root 3. So this is what the displacement for the given situation. Then one more, next example, like I'm calling this as east, west, and this is north, and this is south. East, west, north, south. Now an object is moving towards east by 50 meters and then towards north. Move towards north and one more 50 meters. What about the displacement? So displacement is nothing but the shortest path, isn't it? And this one, so rate this root over 50 square plus 50 square will give you 50 root 2. Because 50 square we are taking it common and bring it out, and 1 plus 1 root 2, 50 root 2. Now the next example, like we are going to take. Now this is east, west, this is north, and this is south. Now how come? How these are representing? So these are representing like three directions. This is east, this is up, and one more like this. These are the three directions. So in these three directions, east, west, this is coming out of the board. Out of the board it is represented by south, and into the board is represented by north, and this is up, down. So look at your directions. This is up and this is down. East, west, north, south. So to understand more clearly about this diagram, let me give you. So this is how I can give you. Okay. Now if it is a coordinate system, this is a coordinate system. Okay. Now look at here, this is the direction indicating it's a north into the board. And this is the direction indicating south out of the board. And this is east and this is west in this diagram. Okay. Yeah. Now symbolically we are representing this is into the board and this is out of the board. When you look at you, the arrow is coming towards you. When the arrow is coming towards you, you feel like the point. Uh, I mean, yeah. So this is a point end. Feels like it is coming towards you, and into arrow is when it is moving away from you. It's like into is looking your side. So if the object moves east by, it's a 12 meters, and then north. We are representing north. So here it is north by 5 meters, and then up by 30 meters. Up by 30 meters. So in this diagram, how do you represent here? This is east, north, and up, isn't it? Yeah. And how much is this distance anyway? This is 12 meters, 5 meters, 13 meters. So what is the total distance traveled? Total distance is nothing but 12 plus 5 plus 13. So total distance is nothing but it's 20, 25, 30 meters. Okay. And what about the displacement? Displacement should be from here to here directly, isn't it? From here to here, like a body diagonal it is. Now in that case, how to get? First you should find out this distance. You should find out this, isn't it? Now how do you take this is nothing but like this is a right angle triangle, isn't it? How do you take right angle triangle? This is O. Let me take this is A, this is B, this is C. Now OAB, if I write OAB, so this is O, this is A, this is B, right angle triangle. Then how about OA? So this is 12, this is 5. Then how about OA? It's a root over 12 square plus 5 square. Isn't it 144 plus 25? It's a 169. It's nothing but 13. Root 169 is nothing but 13. So this distance is 13. And what about this again? 13. So this is going to give you 13 root 2. How come? Look at here O, B, C. Again, this is O, this is B, this is C, this is 13, this is 13, and this is going to give you 13 root 2. So in this case, what is the displacement? 13 root 2. Okay, and this is when the directions are given in 2D. 2D means there is no need of like mentioning about up and down. Then you can choose this diagram. If they have given even up and down, so totally you have to mention 6 directions like east, west, north, south, up, down. Is it clear? Yeah. Thank you.